Says this certifies that the Rotary Club of Siliguri Uttarayan believers, West Bengal, India, having been duly organized and having agreed through its officers and members to be bound by the Constitution and bylaws of Rotary International, which agreement is evidenced by the acceptance of this certificate, is now duly admitted member of Rotary International, and it's entitled to all the rights and privileges of such membership. In witness thereof, the signatures of its officers being duly authorized are subscribed here to this 15th day of February 2021. Admission to membership in Rotary International recommended by Rotary International President Holger Neck and District Governor 3240.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Respected Chief Guest, District Governor 3240, Rotary India, Rotary Subhash Chatterjee, Guest of Honor, IT North Bengal, Mrs. O.G. Pal, Inspector General of Police, Assistant Governor, June 5, 3240, Rotarian Shandeep Gupta, District Secretary, Rotarian Sunil Agarwal ji, District Secretary Finance, Rotarian Sunil Thakur ji, other Rotary and Inner Wheel Club President and Secretaries, members of Rotary Club of Siliguri Uttarayan, media and press friends, and other esteemed guests. I want to express my heartfelt thanks to all present here this evening. I am honored and privileged to welcome you all on a charter presentation ceremony of newly sponsored club, Rotary Club Siliguri Uttarayan believers. Our club, Rotary Club Siliguri Uttarayan, was formed in 2014 and R.P. Chaudhary, Rotarian R.P. Chaudhary in fact, was appointed as GSR, at that time we called GSR, now advisor, to run the club. उस दिन से जितने भी प्रेसिडेंट सर हमारे क्लब में आए हैं, सभी के अथक प्रयासों से क्लब को निरंतर आगे बढ़ने का एक सफल परिणाम मिला है और सभी ने समाज के विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में अपना योगदान दिया है और यही काम हम अभी भी निरंतर कर रहे हैं। किसी ने कहा है, रास्ते जितने कठिन होंगे मंजिल उतनी ही सुंदर होगी। रोटरी ईयर 2020-21 शुरू हो रहा था और कोविड-19 का पैंडेमिक भी काफ़ी बढ़ रहा था, मगर क्लब के सदस्यों का मनोबल काफ़ी ऊंचा था। इसलिए इस पैंडेमिक पीरियड में भी हमने काफ़ी सामाजिक कार्य किए, जैसे टीचर्स डे सेलिब्रेशन, लिटरेसी डे सेलिब्रेशन, हिंदी दिवस में पत्रकारों और मीडिया के कर्मियों का सम्मान देना, ट्री प्लांटेशन एंड वाटर कूलर इंस्टॉलेशन इन CRPF Day. We had also organized sports carnival in Kanchenjunga Stadium with slogan of Khilega India, तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. And on 10th of January, we had organized blood donation camp with record of 204 units. And recently wheelchair distribution on 23rd February on 116th Rotary Day. I am happy to say that our club has got 8 bighas of land to construct Rotary School, and recently we had purchased one office space also in City Center building, which will be inaugurated by our respected DG sir on 20th of March of this year.
Good evening, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Firstly, I would like to thank the Believers Rotary Club for inviting me to this charter ceremony. Is it charter ceremony? Yes. Yes. It is a great pleasure to attend the first meet of your club, which I believe has made a landmark as they have said that as one of the first ladies club in Siliguri, it is so. It is day and age. Women's participation and visibility in public space of life is imperative, not only to prove the conservative society wrong, but also to make women empowered and to live a dignified life in harmony with the principles of universal rights of humankind. In this context, the founding of your club marks an important moment in your lives to the ladies, as it proves that women's sphere of influence is both within and beyond the threshold of their home. In fact, I would like to quote feminist philosopher Judith Butler's famous statement that gender, quote, gender is but of performance, unquote. Wherein the roles which we play are not assigned by biological differences, but by cultural and behavioral conditioning which shapes the manner in which the certain roles and attributes are ascribed on men and women. Thus, every small step that we take to challenge these cultural notions, the bigger the leap we are making ourselves and younger generation of women who would be inspired to make achievements that we had not dared to make, nay, even think.
Rotary Green Kayan, by taking an oath of taking the office of President of the Rotary Club of Siliguri Uttarayan Believers, RI District 3240, so solemnly swear that discharge my duties as Club President of the Rotary Club of Road, Banga, with full dedication, securities, honesty and integrity. I shall do my best to maintain and furthering the interest of my club and the Rotary Club at large in order to achieve its glorious goal. I shall also try my best to uphold the ideas of Rotary, and I shall not to execute or support any act or deed while is not in bylaws of Rotary International, ever putting into practice Rotary motto service above self, and applying the four-way test as the basic of all my actions and accurates to help advance the object of Rotary. Giving emphasis to this year RI theme, Rotary Open Opportunity, I also solemnly swear to abide by the standard constitution of Rotary. Gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to be here today in presence of District Governor Subhasis Chatterjee, Guest of Honor, IB North Bengal, Mrs. O.G. Pal, Inspector General of Police, AG Rotarian Sandeep Khosal, District Secretary Rotarian Sunil Agar, Rotary Club of Siliguri Uttarayan, President Pal Kayan, Secretary Rotary Ajay Gupta, and all Rotary members of Uttarayan, all Rotary Presidents and Secretaries, all Innerville Presidents and Secretary, spouses of members, media, and all present here in this beautiful evening. I extend my heartfelt thanks to give an opportunity to propose myself as the CP of the reputed club. I, as the president, will show that end is not the end. In fact, end means effort never dies. I am extremely grateful to Rotary Uttarayan who gave me this platform to serve as the nation. I will certainly try my level best to reach high and become an icon. Whatever we accomplish becomes to our entire group. Last but not the least, keep doing good work. Don't care if someone praises your deeds or not. I introduce our energetic board members and members.
Very happy good evening to all of you. President Kiran Kayan believes that life is a highway and the journey is more important than the destination. She was born on 13th of December 1976 in Phobasganj, Bihar, into a loving and a caring family. Her parents named her Kiran, meaning ray of hope, ray of light. And she indeed is a ray of light to all of us sitting here in this room. They are 6 siblings, 6 sisters and a brother. She had a very simple life during her school days. She practiced the hobby of philately, which means collecting stamps, without knowing the word's actual meaning.
And your name? Everybody.
Yeah, yeah.
No, everybody.
Everybody.
Help. I, having been admitted as a new member of the Rotary Club of Siliguri Uttarayan Believers,
As the new member of the Rotary Club of Siliguri Uttarayan Believers,
RI District 3240,
RI District 3240,
do solemnly
do
swear
solemnly
and discharge
swear to discharge
my duties as new member of the
as new member of the
Rotary Club of Siliguri Uttarayan Believers
Rotary Club of Siliguri Uttarayan Believers
with full dedication,
with full dedication,
sincerity,
sincerity,
honesty,
honesty,
and integrity.
and integrity.
I shall do my best
I shall do my best
to maintain and furthering
to maintain and furthering
the interest of my club
the interest of my club
and the Rotary
and the Rotary
at large.
at large.
माउन्ट कनिफर स्वीट्स एन्ड स्पाले अब बिहे बटुल पार्टी वा कुनै उत्सव मनाउन परे दरबार बैंक्वेट हल अनि बोट रुमको व्यवस्था गरिदिएको छ। हल अत्यन्तै फराकिलो भएकोले सुविस्तासँग आफ्नो उत्सव मनाउन सक्नुहुनेछ। भीडभाडको सामना गर्नु पर्दैन। 3000 र 1000 स्क्वायर फिटको यस हलको उपयोग दर ₹399 देखि सुरु गरिएको छ। सम्पर्क ठेगाना माउन्ट कनिफर स्वीट्स एन्ड स्पा 5 डाक्टर SM दास रोड अपोजिट रिङ मल दार्जिलिङ।
Looking for an opportunity to work in Japan? We have exciting employment opportunities, especially in industries like nursing, caregiver, manufacturing and construction. Advantages of working in Japan: better pay packages, better quality of life, better employee welfare and protection, high professionalism and work ethics, respect and dignity of labor, learning the best technology in the world. That is where we come in at Veda School of Languages, VSL, in association with HNA Arms Incorporation, Japan. Call us at 9911 546021.
Are you dreaming to begin your Italian adventure? Make it a reality and bring home the Italian collection from Royal Oak. Just a click away. International furniture, unbeatable price. Visit a Royal Oak store today.
50 से 70% कम कीमतों पर ऑर्किड बिल्डिंग ऑपोजिट वेगा सर्कल 2.5 माइल सेवक रोड सिलीगुड़ी।
अब वक्त आ गया है अपने सपनों को एक नई पहचान देने का। वेबल कंप्यूटर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर आपके लिए लेके आए हैं डिप्लोमा एंड कोर्सेज जैसे इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स, सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लीकेशन, फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग, टैली, जावा, HTML, DTP, C++, पाइथन जैसे बहुत से कोर्सेज एंड डिप्लोमा। और आपको मिलेगा होलोग्राम सील्ड सर्टिफिकेट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल अंडरटेकिंग जो आपके हर सपने को देगा एक नई उड़ान। वेबल कंप्यूटर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर ऑपोजिट सिलीगुड़ी कॉलेज, गेट नंबर 2, कॉलेज पाड़ा, सिलीगुड़ी।